just got finished dynoing our 2021 F150 with the Gen 5 3-liter Whipple Supercharger on it. All right, Team Lethal fans, we just got finished dynoing our 2021 F150 with the Gen 5 3-liter Whipple Supercharger on it. We're over at Palm Beach Dyno. The truck did awesome. We're going to take you over here, take a look at the screen, look at the numbers. We'll talk a little bit about it. I'm impressed. I know what Rob's truck made stock, so we're going to take a look at the differences. I know different dyno, different day, and everything else, but at least it gives us an understanding of a baseline of what a 2021 F150 with the 5-liter is going to make, and then see what it does with the Whipple Supercharger. This is the complete Stage 2 kit. Come on over here, Pops. Come on, let's take a look. Stage 2 kit from Whipple Superchargers that includes the 132mm throttle body as well as their calibration. This is a full bolt-on kit, all right? Here we go. Here are the numbers, all right? So, this truck today put down 584.79 rear-wheel horsepower. We got 468.84 foot-pounds of torque. If you look at the numbers based on what Rob's truck made, 336 as well as 375 torque, the truck makes a lot more power than it did when it was stock. We've got a couple things going against us today that didn't let us get that 600 wheel horsepower number. One of them, obviously, we're dealing with weather. We're about 11 degrees higher. It's 91 something degrees in here with humidity up there. We've also have an issue with the fact that we still have the factory rev limiter on here as well as the speed limiter. So we're limited at 107 miles an hour, and I'm not really sure what the factory rev limiter is at, but those two things affect us, so we have to dyno the truck in a different gear to be able to get proper dyno numbers. All right? So all in all, I'm impressed. Whipple Superchargers, they run the game. This is the only kit they have available for the 2021 F150 out there. These are the only ones who have the tuning down. You guys looking for a kit for your 2021 F150, give us a shout and we'll take great care of you. Mustang King, and I'm out. But wait, we have more! All right, so we're over at Palm Beach Dyno right now, strapping the F150 to the dyno, getting ready to make a couple pulls. Last time we were here, on the first pre-production calibration, made about 585 real horsepower, 93 octane with the complete kit from Whipple on our 21 F150. Today we've got the production calibration, which has a few changes to it. We're hoping to make some more power, so let's see how it does. That new cow, new production cow, guys. 610 wheel horsepower, 516, almost 517 foot-pounds of torque. And it is hot, 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 hot. Nice.
5,000.
That's a 50 state legal calibration. Complete Whipple kit that you can get on your F-150.
50 state legal.
50 state legal.
Even Hawaii.
Even Hawaii. And this is compared to your stock
truck.
Stock truck.
Yep.
Not our truck, but same 21 F-150.
They all die the same.
Stock wheels, tires,
100%
93 octane, 336 to 610 wheel horsepower. That's a pretty solid speed right there, man. That's awesome, dude. Yes. Good stuff. We just finished dynoing the 21 F150 with the Whipple Gen 5 3-liter on it. Production calibration, 610 wheel horsepower, 516 foot-pounds of torque. Good job, Dustin. 50 state legal, guys. There you go. If you're looking for a kit, give us a call. You know the deal. Random little goodies. Hey yo!
No, really, are you guys hiring? Because, like,
Can't
yeah, he's just crazy.
It's all good, dude. You got any dildos you can put on the table there? You good? Looking fresh or what?
I mean, debatable, but let's go.